Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, I'm at the Briarly Apartments in Houston, Texas. This is in the Galleria Post Oak areas of Houston, Texas, just on the other side of the loop. It's a recently built, beautiful mid-rise apartment, and what we're gonna do today is we're gonna take a tour inside. We're gonna see one or two apartments, we're gonna see amenities, and we're gonna just get a full tour, the best tour ever, better than even if you came here in person. We're gonna put them all on this list, this playlist here on this channel, and you can just watch all these, and it'll be better than even coming in person. You can just watch them and enjoy this tour of the Briarly. It's a beautiful place. I think you're gonna love seeing this. So we're about to take that tour right now. If you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing about the Briarly, send me a text. Just use the number below, and if at any time you want to do a virtual live or live tour, send me a text as well. The next video, I'm going to talk a little bit about the area. I'm going to walk around and just tell you why this area might be perfect for you, and it's a great area, so I'll tell you more about it on the next video. Let that just roll right now.